Hi, I'm Becky Streepy from Glue and Glitter, and today we're making my super easy, super flavorful Instant Pot Quinoa Burrito Bowl. Y'all, you are going to love this recipe. It all comes together right in your Instant Pot in about a half an hour, and you can really make it your own by picking and choosing whatever toppings you want. Use your Instant Pot saute function to heat up a little bit of oil. Now add bell peppers, onions, and garlic to the pot and cook until the onion just starts to brown. Add all of those flavorful spices and your quinoa to the pot and cook for just a few minutes until the spices become fragrant. Now add water to the pot and stir to mix everything up really well. Pile on your beans and corn, but don't stir them in. It's really important that you don't stir in the beans and corn. This isn't the case with every pot, but some pots are a little bit finicky, and if you stir them in, it'll think that there's not enough water to cook the quinoa and you'll get a burn warning. Lock your pot's lid, making sure that it's set to sealing. Then cook your quinoa at pressure for 6 minutes with a 10-minute natural release. When the cooking time is up, you are ready to serve and pile on those toppings. You can totally use whatever toppings you like here. I love this for a weeknight recipe because while the quinoa and everything is cooking in the Instant Pot, you can kind of raid the fridge for toppings, just see what you have and have fun with it. I'm serving my quinoa burrito bowl topped with tomatoes, avocado, vegan cheese shreds, and plenty of fresh cilantro. I hope that this video has answered all of your questions about how to make a quinoa burrito bowl in your Instant Pot. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!